DFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feast. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, we're going to do a baked potato.
What?
Not just any old baked potato. We're going to do a country-style rib baked potato.
That nigga's tripping. So,
sit back, grab your popcorn, get something to drink, and enjoy the video. If you like it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. Let's get started with some country-style rib baked potato. Let's start with the protein first. The star of the show is the country-style rib. So this is a country-style rib. If you did not know, country-style rib is not really a cut of rib. It actually comes from the shoulder. You might as well call this a pulled pork baked potato, because I like using the country-style rib sometimes over using the pulled pork, but it's totally up, or the Boston butt or the shoulder, but it's totally up to you. But anyway, that's the country-style rib. Nice cuts. Alright, got one onion cut up there, and I got some scallions. This is just for garnish. Scallions, green onions. Let's not be fancy here.
Stop it. Get some help.
And then, of course, you got to have your baked potato. And to be honest with you, I've already got one in the oven because it takes a little bit of time, and I like doing it in the oven. And I use the jumbo potatoes for this. Got some minced garlic, some beef broth. Use your favorite barbecue sauce. Seasonings, salt and pepper, pink Himalayan black pepper, some garlic powder. I'm using bone-sucking seasoning and rub. Some Lowry's seasoning salt. And I'm also using the bone-sucking sauce, which you can buy at most stores now. You can order it online. I got this from a local store around here. And then I got a little bit of brown sugar, about a half a cup. And we're doing this in the power pressure cooker, guys. Makes it real quick, takes 45 minutes, and your pulled pork, or your, in this case, your country style ribs are done. So that's all the ingredients. Let's get started putting this together. Alright, so we're gonna start over here at the pressure cooker. I got a little bit of oil in there, and I'm gonna put in my onion right there. Bam. Then right off the bat, we're going right in with the country style ribs. All right. So I got my country style ribs in there, and we're gonna season this up a little bit. We're gonna start with my salt and pepper. I'm putting quite a bit of salt in here. There's a lot of ribs in there. Pink Himalayan sea salt, some black pepper, quite a bit of it in there. We're going to go in with our garlic powder, about a tablespoon, maybe a little bit more than a tablespoon. Going to go in with a Lowry seasoning salt, about 2 tablespoons of that. And then we're going in with our bone-sucking sauce, steak and seasoning and rub. We're going to hit that with about a good tablespoon and a half. We're going to add a nice heaping tablespoon of minced garlic. And this is what I love about this recipe. You just throw the stuff in, put your liquids in, and let it go for 45 minutes. Alright, I'm going with my beef broth. And I'm using about 2 cups of beef broth in that. Throw in my brown sugar. And then we're going to douse it with about a cup of the bone-sucking sauce.
Bone-sucking sauce!
Mix my brown sugar up in there a little bit better. There we go. It's really that easy, guys. Simple. Very simple. That's all there is to it. We're going to put the lid on. Gonna lock it down. If you don't know how to do that, go check out my other videos. Lock it down. So this is real simple. We're gonna hit the meat chicken button, increment it to high, and we're gonna do it. Bring it up to 45 minutes. There we go. In just a second, it's gonna go around and around about now. Bam. We're gonna let it go for 45 minutes. And in the miracle of YouTube, it's gonna take a second. We'll be right back. It's been 45 minutes. The ribs are in here. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Talking about fall apart right off the bone.
Oh my God.
So they're done. I am going to put a few of them in a bowl. Oh, look at that. I can't even hardly pick them up. Alright, so I put them in a bowl, and we're going to go over to the counter and we're going to fix them up and get it on the potato. Alright, so you can see I got a little bit in the bowl here, and I've kind of shredded it up. And we're going to add a little bit of the bone-sucking sauce to it. Not a whole lot, but I love that flavor. And we're going to add my favorite barbecue sauce. This is local to Indiana, so you probably won't have it in your area. It's called Pa and Ma's. It was a local barbecue joint here. They closed down, but they're still making the sauce. And we're going to mix this up in here. And I'm going to put a little bit more barbecue sauce in it. There we go. Alright, look at that. Too good. Alright, so let me dress up my potato. Bam! There you go. We're going to call it country style rib baked potato, but really, it might as well be a pulled pork. I just like using the country style ribs. Oh my God, it's a meal in itself. Just a meal in itself. So, you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite. You can do that at home too. Hey guys, let me get that bite. Good old baked potato. Not any kind of baked potato. Country style rib baked potato. Hey guys, I can't wait to get my mouth on this. Let me get some baked potato. Some of the rib. Oh my God, and a little sour cream. Oh my Lord.
Oh my God. Wow.
I put a little cheese on there too. Oh my God, this is a meal in itself. Hey guys, do me a favor, it's totally free. If you like this video, do me a favor and just like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video, and hey, this is Big Toe signing off. Peace.